Okay, let's start a class on shares and dividends. So, as it's a small board and it's not the digital board, so I have written the sum here, but you can see here the question. See the question? A man has some shares of rupees 100 par value, paying 6% dividend. He sells half of these at a discount of 10% and invests the proceeds in 7% rupees 50 shares at a premium of rupees 10. This transaction decreases his income from dividends by rupees 120. Calculate number 1, the number of shares before the transaction. Number 2, the number of shares he sold. And number 3, his initial annual income from shares. So a man has, suppose X number of rupees 100 par value, paying 6% dividend. Now what is that par value? This is not PER, this is PAR. In this case, it is said a man has some shares of rupees 100 par value. Here rupees 100 par value means nominal value also is rupees 100, market value also is rupees 100 per share. So let us start. A man has some shares. So in first case we are writing, in first case, a man has X number of shares. Let the man has X shares. FV equals to, this is given, we can say, given FV equals to rupees 100. What? Per share. Not, this is not PAR, this is PER, that means one share. One share face value is rupees 100. Market value rupees 100 only, because it is said rupees 100 PAR par value, so PER per share. And dividend rate is 6%. Initial income from X number of share or X shares. What? Now we know the formula, number of share NS, number of share into dividend percent into face value or nominal value. So write down FV, face value. You may write NV also, nominal value, same thing. So NS, what? Number of shares X, dividend rate 6 by 100, face value is 100, that is rupees 6x. I hope this part is clear. Now second case. In second case, he sold X by 2 shares at rupees 10% discount, that is at rupees 100 into 100 minus 10 by 100. It's a formula like that. Suppose 10% discount, so whatever that means market value, that we are writing, because this is the market value rupees 100. This is not that nominal value, this is the market value, into 100 minus discount rate, means discount, divided by 100. So easily we can tell equals to rupees, this is, we are getting what, 100 into 90 by 100, 100 cut off, to rupees 90 only. Easily you can understand he sold this number of shares at rupees 90. Sell proceed. Sometimes students are confused, what is this sell proceed? Sell proceed is nothing. but the number of shares shows at market price. Total means total value after selling a certain number of shares at market price. So here sale proceed we are getting x by 2 into 90 equals to rupees 45x. That is, this is the investment value. This is the investment value, rupees 45x. Now it is said invest the proceeds in 7%, rupees 50 shares at a premium of rupees 10. So now this is sale proceed. This sale proceed is nothing but the investment for the next share purchase. Here in second case, whenever he is selling x by 2 number of shares, definitely before selling he should have some income from these shares. Income from x by 2 shares. If income from x share is rupees 6x, so income from x by 2 shares is what? 6x by 2 rupees 3x. Now the third case, investment rupees 45x, number of shares purchased equals to what? Number of shares purchased. Now it is said at 7% rupees 50 shares at a premium of rupees 10. Now what is this rupees 50 share? Rupees 50 share means under bracket one time लिख since face value equals to rupees 50 and market value is what? Market value equals to, definitely we are getting at a premium of rupees 10. That means if face value is rupees 50, now premium is rupees 10, that means you have to buy at rupees 60 only. So market value is rupees 60, easily we can tell. Now 50 plus 10, that is 60, because premium is involved. Because since premium equals to rupees 10, it may mention since premium equals to rupees 10. You can mention. So number of shares purchased, what that you can say, which formula you can? Investment divided by market value. So what is that investment? Investment is 45x by market value we are getting 60. So number of share purchased, so 45 into 3, 45, 4, that is 3x by 4. Whenever we are buying this number of share, here also we will get some income. Here also we will have some income. Income is nothing but the dividend we are earning from the company. Company declares dividend only when company makes a profit. So it is assumed that the company has made a profit. That's why here also we can have some income. Here income is the dividend. So what is that dividend? Therefore, income from 3x by 4 shares. Income from 3x by 4 shares. 3x by 4 into dividend percentage. Here it is 7% mentioned. So 7%. You can check the question. Already in the beginning only I had given this on the screen. What is that question? So question C, there are 7% return. So 7% means 7 by 100 into, what is that? Now face value. Face value is rupees 50. We have written to 50. So what we are getting? Income means rupees equals to rupees. What we are getting? 50 to the 21x by 8 according to problem. What we can say? Now 3x. It is earlier income 3x and 21x by 8 the present income 21x by 8 and we are getting 120 less. So if you solve 8 3s are 24x minus 21x and these 8 will be multiplied with this, so 960 we are getting. We are solving it, that is 3x equals to 960 and we are getting x equals to 320. Therefore, Roman 1, the man has 320 shares. The man has 320 shares. The number of shares he sold. How many sold? Now x by 2 number of share. So x by 2 means what? 3 by 20 by 2 equals to 160. This is also initial annual income equals to rupees 6x. Rupees 6 into x means 320 means rupees 0 6 2 12 1 9. So 1920. So I hope you understood this sum. Today's class is over. Bye bye.